Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's SecondSplash review video, I'd like to share with you a new advertising tool that I've just come across in SecondSplash. And this can help you get more referrals. And by getting more referrals, you can get more viral passive traffic, and you can also earn monthly recurring commissions from those referrals, even if you're a free member. And there's also some bonus income there as well, which I'll come to a bit later on. I'm going to show you how this is called a hover ad. I'm going to show you how this works very briefly. And a bit later on, I'm going to give you all the free tools and all the free resources and a free done-for-you funnel that our team gives you to help you promote SecondSplash and get more referrals and earn some more income. So I'm live in my back office here, and what you do is you go under advertising and you see hover ad. And what the hover ad does, it's really clever. Excuse me. It says if you look towards the bottom left-hand corner of the page, you will see an image of Splash Gordon. So Splash Gordon is the sort of the character that they use within SecondSplash to promote the offer. And what you can do is you can put this this image of Splash Gordon anywhere on your. I saw it on a lead capture page, and that's what attracted my attention. So, but I put it onto my blog. I'll just show you that shortly. But you can put it in the top left, the top right, the bottom right, or the bottom left, and then all you do is copy and paste this code here. You click copy. You copy and paste the code, and then this image here, I'll just show you now on my blog, this image, when you copy and paste the HTML code, goes onto your website here. So this is the image here. I think it's really, it really attracts attention. It did when I saw it on a lead capture page. And then if I go onto a different page on my blog, let's say if I go on to how to rank on Google page 1, then Splash Gordon is still advertised on my page. So when a prospect clicks on there, I'll show you how it works. They click on there and then they get notified. They can either X out of it if they're not interested, and it won't keep popping up. And it says, do you need traffic to any offer or affiliate link? How about passive income? Click me to learn how. Start free. So Splash Gordon's here. It gives you all this a little bit of sort of text detail. Click here. So you click on the bubble, and then that takes the prospect to the video of SecondSplash, and then they can click here and they can join SecondSplash, and then they'll be part of your one of your referrals. So just want to show you that. I thought it's really very simple to use. You can use it on lead capture pages, websites, blogs, etc. I want to show you now some of the, if we go back into here, just show you some of the income streams that you can earn as a free member, and also show you a little bit of proof. So I'll go on to Stats Dashboard. So as a free member, you can earn this bonus commission here. I'm a pro member. I'm a platinum pro member. I was very fortunate to be given an upgrade for free because I've been an Easy Cash for Ads member for some time, and I've done quite well with Easy Cash for Ads. So the owners of Easy Cash for Ads own SecondSplash, so they give me a little look inside here before they launched it, and they give me a free upgrade. But what you can do as a free member, you see this commission here of $10. That's a recurring commission. So if you go into how all this works, commission explained, there'll be a link in the description where you can set up a free account, and then you just go into the back office and have a look through all the menu tabs, get yourself some viral passive traffic for free. And then as a free member, you can earn 25% recurring commissions for those that upgrade. If you upgrade yourself, you can get 50%. And then there's also what we call a bonus income, which I'll show you now. And one of my referrals, let's go into, that's not the right one. Let's go into how all this works. If you go into bonus income here, then easy cash for ads is the bonus income. So if you go onto my YouTube channel and you have a look at my easy cash for ads videos here, you'll see that, excuse me, I've been a member of Easy Cash for Ads since last year, and I'm $720 into profit. And with Easy Cash for Ads, you can earn both referral income and passive income. And one of these here was a referral through SecondSplash. So if I scroll down here, you'll see with Easy Cash for Ads, these are $10 payments. There's no monthly membership costs with Easy Cash for Ads, but you'll see that for every single month now for 18 months, I've earned commissions with Easy Cash for Ads, and that equates to $720 in profit. No monthly membership payments, just a one-time payment. And then when you join Easy Cash for Ads, you can promote it as a separate offer, or you can come into your SecondSplash account and then join it here, and then put your username in here, update it, and you can start to earn some bonus income on top of your recurring income, and also get free viral passive traffic as well. So if you click the link in the description, you can join our team, and we're going to give you, these are free resources and free training that we're going to give you. So we're going to give you this lead capture page. You can see it's very professionally done. Just copy and paste in a few clicks. We're also going to give you a free done for you funnel. So you can either join SecondSplash here through the link in the description, and then you can set up your lead funnel. There's a 20-minute video here that explains everything, and it's all step by step. So you'd have to create anything. We've done it all for you. It's all step-by-step tutorials, very beginner friendly. If you're brand new, you can follow this and set it all up. You can join Leads Leap for free. And then with this funnel, you can even earn Leads Leap commissions as well. So if you want to earn some Leads Leap commissions, then monthly recurring commissions as a free member, that's another income stream there for you. And then there's also all these share codes that we give you. Just copy and paste in a few clicks. We go through all the video tutorials for you, and everything's here to help you succeed with SecondSplash. So just a short video today, and if you enjoyed the video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got over 850 videos on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about SecondSplash or Easy Cash for Ads or any of the funnels or tools, the training we give you, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all your questions. And my email address will be in the description if you want to contact me through email. So click the link in the description, set up a free account with SecondSplash, and then you can start to get some free viral passive traffic. And then as you promote SecondSplash, you can also start to earn some of those monthly recurring commissions the more you promote, and use SecondSplash to promote your primary business or any other offers that you want to promote. It's a great system. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.